So what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Fackerton YouTube channel. So today, or actually tonight, I got ZXE Gold high-end white xenon charge headlights. I didn't really need a new set of headlights for the Tiguan because these are not burnt out yet, but I'll just show you a quick clip of the headlights now and what they look like. And as you see, they're just regular white lights. They're not special. They're stock. And personally, I don't think they really look that good with the LED down here. So that's part of the reason why I'm going to change them out. And these are actually, they're a deep cobalt blue. They have the coating on the bulb for a wider light. So these are supposed to give you like that really high-end look. And we're about to see what it looks like. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you just one of the bulbs itself. That way you can kind of get an idea of what these things look like. Now, you want to be sure that you're careful with them, because you can break them pretty easy and you don't want to do that. But that's what they look like. They're nice and blue. I got the gold edition because it's supposed to be a little bit better. And then like on the bottom, it just plugs in like so. So you want to wear some type of gloves when you handle these, because if you get your finger oils on the bulb, it can make it explode, and then that would be a waste of a good bulb, because these are about $100 for a set. So that's why I'm wearing gloves. Alright, so as you've seen there in the time lapse, all I did was took the old bulb out, it just unplugs, and then you plug in the new one, and then of course, you know, if you want to, like I said, you just put some bulb grease on there. But what we're going to do now is test out the two different headlights and see which one is brighter and which one looks better. So if you would, oh brother of mine, just hit the start button. And then we're about to see like what the deal is on this thing. Does it look good or not? Hopefully it does. Wow, that looks so much better. There's definitely like a different hue to that light than there is to the stock one. Like, you could probably...
The light doesn't break up as much either.
You can probably see a little bit on the camera there.
The break of the light is actually sharper.
It is. It looks a little bit sharper. It looks a lot cleaner. I like it. And as you can see right there on the wall, it does kind of give it a little bit of a bluish hue. So now what I'll do is I will go ahead and get the other light installed, which will be very fast. Alright guys, they're both in now, so moment of truth, time to see how they look together, right? And hopefully they will look a lot better and be a lot brighter. Like I said, we'll probably take it on a small road test. That way we can actually see what they look like out on the street. And if you ask me, I think they're actually going to look pretty good. I've ran these type of headlights before in another car, and I was pretty happy with them. They do seem a little bit brighter, so I just thought, we just got these for the shop, and as you just seen, they are pretty durable. So good work lights. $5 at Rural King. If you have one near you, I would suggest you buy those. But without further ado, we're gonna shut that, and then I will go in here and press the ignition, and we're gonna see how good these lights are. Wow. That actually looks pretty good. So here it is with both of the headlights in now. I think that looks pretty clean compared to what it was before. Alright YouTube, so you can kind of see like what the lighting characteristic is on the outside, and I would have to say they look pretty good. I do like the color a lot better than the stock. It still looks white, yes, but it looks a little bit better of a white, if you will, than what the stock ones did. So now we'll get a shot of it like outside. And I gotta say guys, that does look a lot better than the other lights that were in there. It's just a better white. It doesn't look all dingy and yellow, kind of like you know, the other lights did, the stock headlights that were in there. So I'm happy with it. It does shine pretty far down the road, as you can see there. So as always, I will put the link for these headlights, should you want some for your Tiguan, in the description below. It is a pretty cheap upgrade, something that makes it just a little bit better, unless you go with LED, of course, which I plan to later on. I just basically did this for a little content and to kind of show you guys how to do it. Like I said, it's pretty easy. You just reach in there. There's going to be a little like flap on the back of the headlight. You just pull that out, and then you twist the headlight out, and then plug and play from there. It's really easy. Like I said, I would use bulb grease for sure. But there is some big things for the Tiguan coming. It's just taking a little bit of time due to shipping and everything. It's just not really fast right now, but I got some really good stuff coming, so don't worry. You guys are really gonna like it. It's awesome, and hopefully I should have an update on my rims here within the next, I'm gonna say two to 3 weeks. So later on this month, I will shoot another video with the fitment of the rims on the front of the Tiguan, since that's where I'm most worried about with the turning radius and everything. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, comments, whatever, just drop something in the box down below. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit me up on Instagram. Also, on my Instagram, plenty of pictures and all of that will work its way there before it does here on YouTube, as you already know. So till then, take care YouTube, peace out, and I'll catch you on the flip side.